The Secret of the Abandoned Garden. Sam and Jenny were riding their bicycles down their street when they noticed that their elderly neighbor, Mr. Hope's garden, was overgrown with weeds, and the fence had tilted and looked quite untidy. "It must be hard for him to take care of it on his own," said Sam, slowing down near the gate. "Let's help him," suggested Jenny, inspired by the idea. The next day, they came to Mr. Hope's house with rakes, shovels, and a can of bright paint. "You don't have to do this," Mr. Hope said in surprise, peeking out of the window. "We just want to help," Jenny smiled. The whole day, the children worked hard. They removed the weeds, trimmed the bushes, and painted the fence. Passers-by watched in surprise, and some even stopped to offer help. When the work was finished, Mr. Hope looked touched. "Thank you, kids," he said. "You've not only made my garden beautiful, but you've also given me a great mood." The next day, Sam and Jenny were surprised to notice that other neighbors had started to tidy up their yards as well. "See, kindness inspires people," said Sam. Since then, the children made it their goal to help those in need, understanding that even a small good deed could inspire others and make the world a better place.